If you want to know how to use itchio games, this video will walk you through the simplest ways to start playing, whether you want to play right in your browser or download a game and run it locally on your device. Itch.io is one of the easiest platforms for discovering indie games, demos, jam projects, and even free downloads. So if you are new to it, don't worry, I'll keep this guide simple, clear, and beginner friendly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's start with playing games in the browser. First, go to the games page on itch.io and look for the button that says Run in Browser. This means the game can be played directly on the website without downloading anything. Just click Run in Browser and a player window will pop up right there on the web page. In some cases, you may see a button that says Run Game after the player loads, so click that too if it appears. This is the fastest way to try a game, especially if you just want to test it before installing anything. If the game does not launch instantly, give it a moment to load. Some browser games need a little extra time depending on the file size or your internet connection. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups and that your device is connected properly. If the game still does not start, try refreshing the page or checking whether the developer has notes on browser compatibility. Many itch.io games work smoothly in browser, but some may have specific requirements. Now let's move on to downloading and playing locally. On the games page, look for the Download Now button. Many games on itch.io are completely free, while others use a name your own price option. That means you can either enter $0 to download for free or pay an amount if you want to support the developer. After choosing the download option, the file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the file is downloaded, check your downloads folder. Most itch.io games come in compressed formats like .tot, zip, or .rr, so you will usually need to extract them before you can play. To do that, right-click the downloaded file and choose Extract All if you are using Windows. If you are on another system, you may need a file extraction tool like 7-zip or a built-in archive utility. After extraction, a new folder will appear containing the game files. Open that extracted folder and look for the application file. On Windows, this is often a file ending in .exe. That is the executable that launches the game. Double-click the file to run it, and the game should open on your desktop. If you see other files like README notes or setup instructions, it is a good idea to check those too, because some developers include extra steps or important controls inside the folder. If the game does not open right away, don't panic. Sometimes Windows may warn you about opening files from the internet. If you downloaded the game from the official itch.io page and trust the developer, you can usually proceed. You may also need to allow the file through security prompts or run it as administrator in some cases. The key is to always download from the official game page and avoid random mirrors or unofficial links. A helpful tip is to read the game description before downloading. Many itch.io pages include controls, system requirements, and whether the game is browser-based or downloadable only. That can save you time and help you avoid confusion. Also, if you are planning to install several games, keep them organized in separate folders so you can find them easily later. So to quickly recap, if you want the easiest option, use the Run in Browser button and play instantly. If you want the full downloaded version, click Download Now, extract the zipped file, and open the .exe or application file inside the folder. That is the basic process for how to use itch.io games on most devices. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy tech and gaming guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up tutorial showing how to download itch.io games on mobile or how to fix common launch issues. Thanks for watching and enjoy your games.